Hi, I'm Chad, product manager at Demco, here to tell you about the Demco Cover One book repair machine. What does this machine do? It fixes this problem. When you've got pages falling out of your books, it's because the publishers used a weaker adhesive that isn't meant to stand up to long-term library use. That's where the Demco Cover One machine comes in. You're replacing the adhesive with a much stronger one. And the great thing is, even though you are using that adhesive to reinsert these pages, you are also replacing and reinforcing the adhesive for the entire book. So none of those pages will fall out afterwards. The Demco Cover One machine is the only one that accepts books up to 3 inches thick. So go ahead and repair those fat books. Once you get up to speed, you can also repair multiple books at once as well. Now, what else comes with the kit? You get a how-to guide, tips and tricks, frequently asked questions to help you along. You also get 50 strips of the Cover One patented glue. This is good for around 250 books, comes to about 25 cents a book because you only cut what you need. That's probably the biggest learning curve, is learning to only use as much adhesive as you need, otherwise it can spill out the sides. Parchment paper is also included. You can wrap this around your book before you put it in the machine to catch any of that adhesive so it doesn't spill on the machine. But if you do get a spill, there's adhesive remover and a cloth included as well. And lastly, there are 2 rolls of Demco tape included as well. Now, you don't have to use these on every book, but only on those where the damage is so extensive that the spine or the hinge is broken. You need to fix this before you can use the machine, otherwise you'll get adhesive everywhere. So we've got Demco clear polyester tape for the outside of the book and Demco hinge tape for the inside to fix that hinge before you use it in the machine. To learn more, please visit demco.com and search Cover One.